In every nation, the impact of good roads on economic development cannot be overstated, with attendant benefits that include enhancing interaction between demand and supply through fostering contact between buyers and sellers, enabling social transformation, and many more benefits. In response to reports from studies which show that most Nigerian roads are in bad shape as a result of poor quality materials used during construction and lack of better maintenance methods, the Nigerian Building and Road Research Institute, also known by its acronym Nbrri, has successfully developed numerous effective, durable, affordable, and far-reaching innovations in road construction, which have provided solutions to lingering construction and maintenance challenges, thereby promoting sustainable practices in road-related matters while optimizing budgets in road projects, adopting environmentally friendly technologies, and saving the lives of road users in the process based on drastic reduction of accidents with the availability of good roads. Rubberized asphalt mat is one of the innovative products from the Nigerian Building and Road Research Institute, Nbrri. It is a mixture of crumb rubber derived from the waste tires as fine particles and aggregates of different sizes with bitumen as the binding agent. The use of crumb rubber for modification of bitumen will not only reduce the environmental problems associated with its disposal, but can also enhance the elastic responses of bitumen at high ambient temperatures. The use of rubberized asphalt material can improve pavement performance and serve as a better method of road maintenance for the safety of transport services while ensuring better service life of the pavement. Nbrri has also developed technologies that are promoting the use of Nigerian natural bitumen for pavement construction. Bitumen sands, also known as oil sands, are a mixture of mostly sand, clay, water, and a thick, molasses-like substance called bitumen. Bitumen tar sands are sands or carbonates containing bitumen or other hydrocarbons of such high viscosity to be immobile under normal reservoir temperatures. Every year, a large amount of bitumen is imported into the country for road construction, which is still insufficient even at a cost burden running into millions of dollars annually. Natural bitumen, which is readily available in Nigeria, can be blended with asphalt to improve strength and temperature-resistant properties. This has been anchored by the Nigerian Building and Road Research Institute Nbrri under the leadership of Professor Samson Duna, the Director General and CEO of Nbrri, with very positive demonstrations of this product carried out in various locations such as Ondo State and other areas where natural bitumen was mixed with bitumen tar sand and used to patch potholes, while entire new roads were constructed in many locations with laudable applications of the Nigerian natural bitumen achieved. Notably, living labs were created as part of the project. These labs are demonstration sections in constructed roads that compare portions constructed with bitumen harnessed by Nbrri with portions of the road that were constructed using imported bitumen that was sourced from foreign countries. The result of the study proved the effectiveness of local bitumen under the efficiency of the Institute's technology. Pozzolana Cement, which already has two functional plants established by Nbrri in Ota, Ogun State and Bokos, Plateau State, Nigeria, is a product that serves as partial replacement for ordinary Portland cement and displaying ultimate strength and qualities to show its superiority over cement, with tests carried out indicating that 30 to 45% partial replacement of ordinary Portland cement can be obtained. The Pozzolana plant in Ota, Ogun State, Nigeria, makes use of clay and palm kernel shells as raw materials. The production process involves grinding the palm kernel shells with a purpose-built grinding machine and then reducing the clay into smaller sizes using an armored crusher machine before both are mixed together and fed into a nodulizer. The rotation of the nodulizer forms the mixture into nodules and spread to dry naturally after 24 hours depending on the weather. When dried, the nodules are moved into the kiln through the cup conveyor where firing takes place to produce particles that are moved into the ball mill, where grinding is done to achieve a particular size as small as cement particles and transported to the bagging machine, where bagging takes place in different sizes, mainly in 25 kilogram and 50 kilogram bags, and are ready for use. The Pozzolana cement produced by Nbrri'S has been used for concrete structures as seen, which have lasted over 5 years without compromise. They can also be used for screeding and a vast number of construction processes. The Pozzolana plant in Bokos, Plateau State, makes use of volcanic ash, clay, and naturally occurring materials that are brought to the production plant and processed with proven quality as a result.
It has some binding properties and it has been tested, which has proven to be a very good material for some of our structural works in terms of building and road construction. So this is something we get from the field. As an environmental waste, first we source these materials and then bring it to this center here and then start the process of processing it. What are the processes involved? First, we grind it into a fine finish and then we mix it up with another environmental product, which is the clay that we find, laterite clay, around our environment. So first and foremost, we're in the lab where we work, and we start by first using the hammer mill. What you are seeing there is called the hammer mill. This is the first point from which we start processing in this very facility. So first, when you get the material from the field, which is the volcanic ash, you now use this to start the process by grinding. And as I said, this is what is called the hammer mill. After processing it from the hammer mill, we now try to sieve it. Once we get the fine finishing, using the different types of sieves, we now start the process of bringing the clay and the volcanic ash together.
The benefits of using Pozzolana includes improved workability of mortar and concrete, reduced heat of hydration, bleeding and segregation of concrete, minimizing the effect of sulfate attack in concrete and mortar, reduced effect of alkali aggregates reactivity, reduced cost of housing by 35% from cost associated with cement, and its contribution to reducing global warming based on the production process when compared to that of cement. Interlocking paving stones are increasingly being used in the construction of roads and pavements in Nigeria. With its keen eye for quality, Nbrri'S has carried out research on this product and improved its quality by designing and developing a unique vibrating table, which is a machine that reduces air gaps or air spaces in the concrete mixture used in producing these interlocking paving stones. As a result, the compressive strength of final products are up to 30% higher than stones that has not passed through the Institute's vibration machine. The vibration table can be used to produce about 3,000 highly durable paving stones per day. The machine makes the production of paving stones easier and uses specially designed molds by the Institute for maximum impact. This technology can create employment for the teeming youth in the construction industry. Local production of this machine is also a means of saving foreign exchange, as the importation of similar machines will no longer be necessary. It is a way forward for Nigeria in producing indigenous and alternative light equipment using our local fabricators for construction industry. The materials for the production are readily available, and the maintenance of the paved areas is very easy. The Nigerian Building and Road Research Institute, Nbrri, continues to sustain focus on its mandate while ensuring the conceptualization, development, production, and implementation of cutting-edge, revolutionary technologies and products to power the economy of the Federal Republic of Nigeria through opening up the vast deposits of natural resources in the country, enabling easier access to raw materials by manufacturers, facilitating job creation, reducing the cost of production, enhancing savings through more affordable technology, scaling down the use of foreign exchange involved in the importation of raw materials, and pioneering great feats in the nation while consolidating its position as one of Nigeria's premier research institutes.